Looking for the best budget computer speakers in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget computer speakers, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from sound quality and design to connectivity options and value for money. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mackie CR3-X, a compact and affordable pair of multimedia monitors that deliver solid performance for casual listening, gaming, and beginner music production. These speakers feature a 3-inch polypropylene-coated woofer and a 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter, powered by a 50W amplifier. The sound profile leans toward a smiley face EQ curve with boosted highs and lows, offering a lively and engaging listening experience. However, the bass response is limited due to the small woofer size, and the treble can be overly bright at higher volumes. Connectivity is a strong suit for the CR3-X. It includes 1/4 TRS, RCA, and 1/8 AUX inputs, along with a front panel headphone jack for convenient monitoring. The left/right speaker placement switch adds flexibility to your setup. On the downside, some users have reported a noticeable hiss or white noise, even when no audio is playing. This issue seems to persist regardless of the connection type and may be attributed to the internal electronics. Overall, the Mackie CR3-X offers good value for its price point, making it a suitable choice for those seeking an entry-level audio upgrade. However, if pristine audio quality is a priority, you might want to explore other options. At number 4, we have the Edifier R19BT, a sleek and versatile 2.0 speaker system that offers impressive features for its price point. Designed with a black wooden cabinet and a contemporary aesthetic, these speakers not only sound good but also enhance your desktop setup. The R19BT is equipped with 2.75-inch full-range drivers, delivering clear and balanced stereo sound. The front oval bass reflex port is finely tuned to produce deeper bass, enhancing your listening experience. With a total RMS power output of 4W, 2W per channel, and a frequency response ranging from 80 Hz to 19 kHz, these speakers are suitable for everyday use. Connectivity is a strong suit for the R19BT. It features Bluetooth 5.3 for stable wireless connections, a built-in USB sound card for plug-and-play PC connectivity, and a 3.5mm AUX input for versatility. The built-in sound card allows you to connect to your PC via single USB cable, reducing cable clutter. The slanted design projects sound directly to your ears, reducing interference and delivering crystal-clear audio. A large 25mm multifunctional knob on the front panel provides easy control over power and volume. Additionally, a front headphone jack offers convenient private listening. While the R19BT may not satisfy audiophiles seeking high-fidelity sound, it offers excellent value for those looking for an affordable, stylish, and feature-rich speaker system for their computer or smart devices. Coming in at number 3 is the Sanyoon SW208, a sleek, compact set of active bookshelf speakers designed to elevate your desktop audio experience without breaking the bank. Ideal for gaming, casual listening, and multimedia use, these speakers deliver a surprising punch for their size. Each unit houses a 3-inch carbon fiber speaker driver, powered by a 60W amplifier, delivering crisp mids and defined highs. The built-in 24-bit DAC enhances digital audio clarity, particularly when connected via USB, and Bluetooth 5.0 offers stable wireless streaming from laptops, phones, and tablets. The SW208 also supports 3.5mm AUX connectivity, ensuring compatibility with most setups. Sonically, the speakers offer a wide soundstage with a focus on clarity and detail. The 3D surround sound effect adds a sense of immersion, particularly useful for gaming and watching movies. However, the bass can feel underwhelming at times due to the small driver size, and the EQ knobs for bass and treble have limited impact on actual output. Build-wise, the SW208 features a clean, modern white design, but some users have noted occasional reliability issues. Still, for the price, it's a versatile and attractive option for anyone seeking a stylish upgrade with flexible connectivity and decent performance. Sliding into number 2 is the Acoustics CR3-X 2.1 speaker system, an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking to add some real low-end punch to their desktop audio setup. This compact system includes 2 satellite speakers and a dedicated subwoofer, offering a more immersive sound experience than most 2.0 setups at this price point. The CR3-X delivers a total of 18 watts of power, 9 WRMS, with a well-balanced audio profile ideal for music, movies, and casual gaming. The satellites handle mids and highs with decent clarity, while the subwoofer adds a satisfying thump to action scenes, explosions, and bass-heavy tracks. Don't expect audiophile-grade fidelity. But for the price, the system performs admirably. Connectivity is simple and straightforward. A standard 3.5mm AUX input allows for easy hookup to computers, phones, and tablets. One of its best features is the wired control pod, giving you quick access to power, volume, headphone out, and an auxiliary input all in one place. While the build is mostly plastic and the soundstage is relatively narrow, the Acoustics CR3-X punches well above its weight class, making it a solid value pick for budget users who want a 2.1 setup with real bass. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Edifier R980T, a pair of powered bookshelf speakers that strike an impressive balance between performance, build quality, and affordability. Whether you're into music, movies, or light studio work, the R980T delivers consistent and reliable sound at a budget-friendly price. Each speaker features a 4-inch bass driver and a 13mm silk dome tweeter, delivering a total of 24 watts RMS. The result is a warm, rich audio signature with decent low-end presence, smooth mids, and crisp highs. While it won't shake the room with deep bass, the overall tonal balance is excellent for a 2.0 system in this price range. The build quality stands out with its classic wooden cabinet design, which not only looks premium, but also helps reduce acoustic resonance. Connectivity is straightforward, with dual RCA inputs that let you connect 2 devices simultaneously, like a PC and a gaming console, without the need for switching cables. Though it lacks Bluetooth or digital inputs, the Edifier R980T shines where it matters most: sound quality and reliability. If you're looking for the best all-around budget computer speakers, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget tech reviews. Check the description for links to all the speakers we covered today. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if there's another model you love. See you in the next video.